Hello everybody, it's Wendy, and today we are going to make a cute little pair of earrings using products from the Bargain Bead Box July 2021 edition. So this is what we're going to be making. And first of all, our encouraging word for today is dance, love, sing, and live. I love this card. I haven't seen it before in my stack, and I don't know how I've missed it, but I think it's awesome. Okay, so if you want to make this pair of earrings, you are going to need 2 cubes from the Bargain Bead Box, one of the little starfish beads, a post earring wire. You can use any earring wire you want. I'm just using the post. That's from my own stash. This is a wine glass charm. You can use any hoop earring that you have, any hoop earring finding. I'm using this wine glass charm because these are easy to bend and get the beads on. I'm using 1 eye pin, 1 oval jump ring, and 1 small round 3mm. Excuse me, I tried to pause the video before that sneeze came, but it did not happen. So, excuse me. And then we're using, and what's this got on it? It's got a little, don't know what that was. We're using the little components out of the Bargain Bead Box, these little shell pieces. They're so cute. And we're using some of these really pretty sparkly rondelles. Okay, so grab your stuff together if you want to make this earring and come right on back and we'll get started. It's very, very easy. And obviously you're going to need 2 of everything that I showed you. That goes without saying, I think. Okay, so first of all, we're going to make this little connection on the bottom. And what I did is I took a oval jump ring. So we're just going to open this oval jump ring. I have these for sale on my website if you're interested in them. I like the oval jump rings. I have them in silver and bronze. Okay, and we've got to open it up pretty wide. But the little shell will go on the oval. And then I'm just going to close it right back up. Okay, so there it is. And then we're going to create our little connection, our little dangle here. We're going to take our starfish bead, and if you look, the starfish bead, it has a hole that goes in the middle of this V, and then it comes out the top. So you want to try to put them the same way. At least I wanted to. So you don't have to, but I think it's easier if you do, or it looks better. But first of all, I'm going to go ahead and open this eye pin up and hang my little shell piece on with my jump ring. Just like that. Close that right back up. Okay, then we've got our bead on. And then I'm just putting one of these little rondelles right here on the top. And we're just going to make a loop. Not a wrapped loop, just a regular loop. So I'm just bending this 90 degrees. I'm going to trim off some of my excess wire there. And then I'm just going to roll back a loop. Okay, just like that. And there we have a little loop. Okay, now this is going to go directly on our piece here. And with these little wine glass charms, you just take it and straighten this piece out. These are made from memory wire, so they're very strong wire. Okay, so I just straighten that piece out with my pliers. And then I'm going to put on, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 of the little rondelles. So 2, 4, 6, 7, 2 more, 9. Okay, and then we're going to put on a cube bead, 2 more rondelles. We are going to hang our starfish connection, or starfish dangle right there, 2 more rondelles. Another cube bead. And then we're going to fill it in with the rest of our rondelles. So it should be 9 more. 1, 2, I think. I may not have done 9. 2, 4, 6, 8. I think I just did 8 on this other side because I had to have room for my closure. So there's 4, 6, 8. Did I do 9 or 8? 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece right here. I'm going to bend it straight up like it was before. And this can be a little fiddly. It's kind of hard to get a hold of, but just do the best you can. And I'm bending it right next to my bead because I want it to be a little bit longer than it was before, because I want to be able to make a loop with it. I'm putting it right through here. And then I'm going to take my round nose plier and I'm just going to create a small loop. And you just really have to manhandle this wire because, like I said, it's memory wire. It is very strong, but it will be manipulated if you are harsh with it. Okay, if you're hard on it. And then I'm just going to close this loop up. And you kind of have to be careful here because you don't want to squash your rondelle, but you just want to close that loop up just like that. Okay? Then we're just going to take our tiny jump ring, our little 3mm jump ring here. And we are going to hang our ear wire right on here. And make sure if you're using a post or any ear wire that you're using actually, that you get your piece facing the right direction so that your shell hangs with the front, you know, the front pointing to the front. Just insert that right on there and close it right up. And that is it. That is all there is to this cute little pair of dangly starfish and seashell earrings. They're very sparkly because of these rondelles. They just have a beautiful sparkle to them. But that's all there is to it. So this is the bargain bead box. If you're interested in subscribing, I do have a coupon code for $2 off of your first month's box, or $2 off of your first order in their store. When you do sign up for Bargain Bead Box, you get a coupon to use in their sister store, which is a 30% off coupon. It is a great deal. It's definitely worth it. You can use it over and over and over all month long. And not to mention the fact that you get all these wonderful supplies in this box for under $20 a month shipped to your door. So it really is a great deal. Bargain Bead Box, I think, is one of the best values out there as far as beading goes. Beading subscription boxes go. So check them out. And I am going to get off here and film another Bargain Bead Box video, believe it or not. And I will see you guys in that one. Thanks for watching. Bye.